All right, welcome back, everybody. Some cloud cover breaking up here. However, we've got some snow showers into the mountains around town. Looking at the Helena Skycam, brought to you by Montana Internet here, and it's 37 degrees. And yeah, things got slushy, things got wet. Areas of flooding, especially along the 10-Mile Creek area. The ground is frozen and the water is not going to soak in, it's just going to run here. And tomorrow we may be dealing with a similar situation here with sunshine and temperatures getting above freezing, melting some of that snow. Certainly some improvement around Great Falls after all of that snow last night and earlier today. Many areas around town saw between 4 and even 8 inches of snow, 31 degrees, so temperatures are below the freezing point, and everybody in the state will drop below the freezing point tonight. So even some of these roads that look like they're a little wet, a little slushy, will be a little slippery here tonight. 20s, 30s here across most of the states, and a lot of the state dealing with some pretty good wind as the storm system is moving on out. Just a southeast wind of 6 miles per hour in Cup Bank, that's nothing. Winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, areas on the west side of these advisories here beginning to drop. The winter weather advisory and the winter storm warning expiring for places like Great Falls and Helena as the snow with the main storm system is moving out. You can see the wide area of steady snow with the main area of low pressure, and then a bunch of instability snow showers here in the western mountains where we had some of that sun poke through. Intense sun angle these days heading into the middle of March. A couple of snow showers, especially up there around the Lincoln area. Would not surprise me if a few of these snow showers come down across the Helena area and maybe even Great Falls out into Judith Basin County here tonight. You can see a lot of that activity up on the Rocky Mountain fronts and the Bob Marshall Wilderness. And if anybody's traveling Highway 200 west or Interstate 90 in the direction of Missoula, some snow showers will be impacting travelers that way. Snow moving out of the Lewistown area, but we still may have a couple of snow showers coming through, and still some snow up in the northeast part of the state. So accumulation not over with here just yet. Got a good rain event moving through the southwestern United States, and big nor'easter up into the northeast produced as much as 43 inches of snow into New York, Vermont, and New Hampshire. Here's what will happen the rest of this evening. Still some snow showers coming through even the central part of the state, but by about midnight, a lot of that snow should be winding down around the Glasgow area. A little snow shower here or there, but most of our accumulation is over with here from the last big snowstorm of winter. Some snow showers again tomorrow into eastern Montana, and there will be a few snow showers developing up along the Continental Divide, and then things really start to clear out as we head into Friday. Call it the luck of the Irish, because we're going to have a mostly sunny day, a little more cloud cover out there on the Glasgow area, and maybe add a little additional snow, the Bear Paw Mountains over to also around the Little Belts, the High Woods, and still a bit out to the Missouri River into northeast Montana. Here's the forecast for tonight. A couple of snow showers maybe still impacting Cup Bank and Choteau, Augusta, even Great Falls, and temperatures down into the teens to about 20 degrees. So anything that was wet today, not very wet, still a lot of white up in the northeast part of the state, but we had a little sunshine in central areas, around the Helena area, some sunshine, and things will be refreezing here tonight. Tomorrow, a couple of snow showers in the mountains and into northeast Montana. Some sunshine, watch out for ponding of water on roads and out in the fields, lower elevations here. For Friday, St. Patrick's Day, pot of gold in the sky, that's called the sun. It'll be nice and bright for most of the state, although on the chilly side. Into Saturday, still pretty chilly in eastern Montana, but we're warming up into the 40s. And look at Missoula, 48. Some of that warmth works its way east as we go into Sunday. Even Glasgow warming up to 26, but Great Falls 47, 45 in Lewistown, and Helena by Sunday close to 50 degrees. Now Monday, the first day of spring, we'll have a couple of snow showers, and then the first snowstorm of spring is looking more likely heading into Tuesday and Wednesday.